Yeah. Go on, youth, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, yeah, star. Only pop pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. No need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me, know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos. Like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Contents that you like, contents that you like to listen. Alright, so right now we want to talk about Vybz Kartel. The king is back. So we can say Vybz Kartel is back because we see Vybz Kartel releasing a lot of music recently. Sometimes all 2 songs him drop. You see me? We see Vybz Kartel come out and release a collaboration with Massacre Shooters. We see Vybz Kartel come out and Vybz Kartel have another collaboration lineup with Valiant. Now we see Vybz Kartel come again with another collaboration with none other than the top international artist himself, Skillibeng, where mash up the international scene. And Vybz Kartel is saying this one is titled The King and the Prince. And we cannot dispute it right now at this point because we all know Vybz Kartel is the king of dancehall and Skillibeng is doing it big right now, winning MOBO awards, collaborating with top international artists and even making entries on the Billboard chart. So Vybz Kartel is saying that he has adopted Skillibeng because we all know Skillibeng was not there in the initial stages. Skillibeng recently came on the scene, you see me? So Vybz Kartel has adopted Skillibeng under his wing because Skillibeng look up to Vybz Kartel because a Vybz Kartel make him really start music. A Vybz Kartel really teach him most of the things that him know, you see me? The reason why Skillibeng is so lyrical is because him study Vybz Kartel craft, him study Vybz Kartel from a youth, from in a high school, and him come on the scene and him show that respect and love to Vybz Kartel. Him give Vybz Kartel him flowers, you see me? And Vybz Kartel recognize the respect and the appreciation where Skillibeng show him and return that respect because we see Vybz Kartel had Skillibeng on him Dance and Divas album, and that is one of Skillibeng's biggest song and one of Vybz Kartel's biggest song also, with the 2 of them a collab. So we know say the chemistry is there between Vybz Kartel and Skillibeng because Vybz Kartel is a lyrical artist and Skillibeng have a unique sound and he is a lyricist also and he's doing it big. So it's long overdue for we really hear a Vybz Kartel and a Skillibeng, maybe different from a girl song, but something different where really a chop the road, you see me? If nobody else not excited about this collab, I am excited, you see me? Because we know Skillibeng is doing it big on the international scene and Vybz Kartel is showing us that he's coming back and he's willing to start work with the artists them will show him the appreciation and show him the respect, and him willing to come back and start drop music like how we know how we used to drop music, you see me? And if Vybz Kartel drop 10 songs, 4 or 3 out of them 10 songs they have to hit major. So we just love the fact that Vybz Kartel really take on the music back again and release music rapidly, feed Gaza Nation, feed the fans, feed dancehall can't stall. Yes, because as we know, the Vybz Kartel did stop release a lot of music and we feel like so Vybz Kartel was focusing on his health and he was also focusing on him case. But now that we see him case shift into a different stage where it really they're in front of the Privy Council and them are gonna really listen to it and these things, which is a good thing, and we can expect a freedom for Vybz Kartel. So Vybz Kartel will say, yo, alright, since there's a shift and my mentality also is a shift, me go start put out this music, me go start release some songs, me go start make them know what they're on my mind right now, you see me? And me go start collaborate with the artists them when me read for a longer time, the Squash, the Massacre, the Skillibeng and all of these artists. So we love to see it, and when this song drop, just know say we're go there and we're gonna talk about it. If you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.